Ever thought about making money from sharing travel videos? Well, thanks to TikTok, it's totally doable. In this video, I'll show you how this TikTok creator is pocketing $1,000 every month by just sharing clips of different cities worldwide. Take a peek at this channel, it's blown up recently with a cool idea. Even though it only has 17.4K followers, this creator is raking in $1,000 monthly. So what's the trick? Here's the scoop. This TikTok page primarily features mesmerizing clips of various cities around the globe, with a particular focus on the breathtaking beauty of Switzerland. And the best part, you don't need to travel anywhere to capture these moments. You can do it all from the comfort of your own home without investing any money. Now, let's break down how you can make videos like this step by step. Excited? Let's jump right in. So first things first, we need video clips for our TikTok videos. Go to pexels.com and search any country or city. I choose Switzerland. Here, you'll find free videos of Switzerland. Just adjust the ratio by clicking on filters. Choose all orientations and then select vertical because we need vertical videos for our TikTok. Choose any of these clips which you liked the most and simply download it. Next, we need copyright-free background music for this. Go to pixabay.com, click on music and search for relax or calm. Choose the music you like and simply download it. Now that we have our clips and background music, let's move on to the editing part. You can choose any software like Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. I'll choose CapCut because it's free and easy to use. Click on New Project, change the ratio to 9:16, and import all the downloaded data. Arrange the video clips in the correct order on the timeline. Don't forget to include calm background music, adjusting its volume to match the sound effects. Now, apply some transitions between the video clips. Do it the same way I do. After that, add some cool filters. You can add any filter you like. Then, export the video. Let's check out how it's made. I understand this process may seem a bit challenging at first, but mastering this niche can be incredibly valuable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.